Hello guys, today in this video we will learn how to analyze the income statement based on trend analysis approach or technique in Excel spreadsheet. Okay, so before I show you the preparation or calculation of this statement, first we have to take the income statement data as a questions, right? So you can see that we have some 6-year income statement data. So based on this income statement data, we can calculate the percentage of all the component of income statement and able to identify the trend of all the component of income statement. Okay, so without spending more time, let's get started. Alright, you can see this is the question area that I have just copied from sheet 2 to sheet 3, and this is the calculation area that I have already made it here. Okay, now before I start to calculate the percentage of all the component of income statement, first we have to understand that what is the trend, what is the meaning of trend analysis. So trend analysis means it is a technique that is used to identify the different types of trends. That includes basically 3 types of trends: the increasing in trend, decreasing in trend, or sidewalk trend. Okay, so this is the meaning of trend analysis, right? So in this scenario, what we can understand that it will help us to identify the trends of all the component of the income statement, like sales revenue, cost of goods sold, gross profit, operating expenses, and so on. All right, okay, now let's start to calculate it, the percentage of all the component of sales revenue according to the trend analysis technique. So according to trend analysis technique, the percentage can be calculated as simply dividing the current value by the base value into 100. Okay, so click here and now press the equal to sign, and now let's select this one, okay, which is our current value, divide by, click this one to get the base value. The base value represents in the denominator. Okay, and let's fix this column so that we can move ahead. Okay, so press the dollar sign here and now press the enter key. Alright, you can see the value is showing in percentage form. Why? Because I have already changed the selection format from general to percentage from here. Okay, now click here and just drag from here to right. Okay, you can see. Now just click here and drag from here to down. Alright, now just press Ctrl B to remove the bold. Okay, and now click here and just select from here to here, and now let's add the border. So here I'm going to use the keyboard shortcut key to add the border. So press Alt H B A. Alright, you can see. Now let's make the following major component of income statement value bold by selecting the range with the help of Control button from your keyboard and mouse. Okay, so I'm going to select this one, now this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one, and now press Ctrl B to bold it. Alright, you can see. Now we have successfully calculated the percentage of all the component of income statement. Now based on this result, we can interpret the income statement. For example, sales revenue, you can see that the sales revenue is increasing in trend, because in the 2021 you can see that the sales revenue were 100%, while in the 2026 sales revenue has grown up to 161.05%. Similarly, for earning after tax or net profit is also increasing in trend. You can see increase to 242.89%, right? While you can see the interest expenses has been decreased to 82.52%. Alright, this shows the trend of all the component of the income statement. Alright, okay, so this is the simple technique to interpret the result. Okay, so guys, it's a very easy to calculate it and prepare it. Thanks for watching this video. If you find it useful, then please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video of this series. Signing off.